Okay, I recorded this session for you. So this is the application for the industry. This application include the whole manufacturing system, manufacturing flow. So it's a ERP for the manufacturing. So let I can show you a demo. Okay, let we can try to log in this screen. Okay, this is the dashboard. This is actually executive dashboard. In this application we can define a dashboard for specific users. This application have multiple dashboard like sales dashboard, quality dashboard, inventory dashboard, and the executive dashboard have the whole picture. So this is the executive dashboard which have multiple things, and it will be customizable as well. So we have sales section. Okay, there are many things, but I can try to show you the working flow. Like in if a industry have the customers, and then he got the sale order from the customer, then we can enter the sale order here. If then after sale order the manufacturing unit receive the notification backlog. So this screen show the backlogs, like this is the weekly backlog. If anything overdue or uh, low stock, then this screen show this. We added the sale order for these two parts, like then demand is 1 and second one demand is 10 in stock 00, then net difference this one. Then we can easily create a production order from here. So after creating production order, it will be see as this uh, tag, like this part have the multiple sale orders of different dates. So we created three production orders of multiple quantity. uh, like this part have the 10 demand, and we created a production order for 5. Then there this option will be remain for other 5 once all parts are finished. Once production order created for all parts, then this option will be hide, and multiple production order will be grouped, shown here, like this one. This is in progress. So see, this is a production order. This is the short screen for view this production order. If we want to see detail, then this is the detail view. See, order quantity 10 piece produced, scrapped, and the schedule is this. So uh, this production order have the operations of sharing, press working, and then export working, paint, and the export assembly. The operation 1 is completed. It is stuck on the second operation. Once it is completed, then it will go on the quality inspection. Then after that we can start the third operation. The time will be noted if operation is start, and uh, while when it is ended. So difference time will be shown in the action section here, and the operations is also parameterized and defined for each parts, and the bombs will also parameterize and define for each parts. Then production order, like this production order shown the bomb and material. If any material is required, then this is shown here, like 9 kg required and the 35 kg 0.3 in available. so so it is available. If uh, it is shortage, then there will be a button shown for the purchase request, and if this part is in-house manufactured, then there will be button for the creating sub production order for this part. This is pick list. Pick list mean like when we release the production order, then it is checking any shortage or any available material. If material is available, then we can release the production order. And generate the pick list. Pick list mean it reserves the stocks on material from the store. Then we can it checks the status, and store will release parts against this production order. So this is completed mean store is issued part against this one. And part location availability, right now sharing completed and right now in progress in the press shop 10 parts. This is actually production order, like backlog screen shown the demand and requirement, and the production order screen all the production orders weekly. Further we have the work center queue, like if we see the paint assembly and then press working. So press working have the 5 pending operations right now. One is in progress, overdue 5 total quantity. So we can start any of them once it is released. And then right now the this process for this part is in progress. This screen for the uh, production operators, production managers, uh, who can start or pause or complete any process for any workstation, like when the bulk quantity or bulk PCs or many different PCs are in progress. So this screen will help for each station. And this is the work in progress dashboard for the other persons, like who want to see the uh, parts pending or in progress in each station but not have the any thing to change. So this is screen for some maybe GM or different persons. So same like we can define the work centers operations here, routings, parts routing, like this part have 3 routings. We can see the routing. First one is press, ring and ring assembly. So we can define these things: material returns, production costing, um, like the other one I can see you the quality. This is the quality dashboard, and overall inspected one and other things: pass fail trend, inspection volume per day, defective categories, overall performance. This one. These are the quality control plans for the inspections. This is the screen where we create inspection sheets for each parts of each process. Like this is one inspection sheet where we defined this is the part and this is a inspection point, like visual inspection are very common. A simple inspection sheet, like uh, I can show you, it's a very detailed and picture reference inspection sheet test. Like I can define for this and operation, which one parts have the operation. Or this one, 6. Let's see. Yeah, this part have the press operation. Okay. Oh, we need to define the reference image. This will be the picture of the part. So right now it's a testing area, so I can just add a random picture. Okay, let imagine it's a part and we have the some marking here. Like I want to check this one, I click here and automatically a sequence dimension here, dimension type, it's a dimension, and description what we need to do. Characteristic, it's and nominal value is 10 mm. This is a unit. 10 mm. Tolerance is 0.01. Low tolerance 0.01. This one, which is the tool, inspection method, any description here, um, and the acceptance criteria. We can also define it's at critical at one inspection is added, and the second point I can define, click here, and the description test 1 2, okay, and not critical add, then we can save this. Okay, let's see the point, inspection sheet. This is for the test part and the for test process. So this part and the process is this is our part, and the point 1 is this measurement dimension, this, and the point 2 is this, and red is critical, critical, yes, and the point 2 is this. Okay, a quality person will create inspection sheets like this, and once the manufacturing operation and the any production order going to the next process like this one, and in progress, once we can complete it, and then see it is waiting for the quality inspection. So this part is going for the inspection, like quality, and if we see the inspections and shown here, so quality persons will found automatically notifications as well, and the inspections and production orders. Right now I am logging from the same user administrator, so for the same user notification is suppressed. So this like this is shown the required inspection needed, and once we can start, then this system automatically fetch these parts of this operation inspection sheet, and then show the inspection sheet. The user will fill values accordingly. There will be the standard also shown, and the uh, filled value also shown. Right now I think this part I think not have the inspection sheet. Let we see. Yeah, so first we need to create the inspection sheet for this part and the operation, then the inspection sheet will be open like this one. Then quality person will fill this one and submit them. If there is any issue, he is also able to create the NCR and the analysis for the NCL shown here. Okay, this is the total quality section. Quality person will the idea is the quality person have the tabs, and he is going in the different stations of the factory for the inspection, uh, which he received a notification here. Then uh, he can inspect the parts, and inspection sheet allows or required uh, pictures of the parts. If any rejection or any issue, the quality person is take the picture from the tab and directly attached with the inspection sheet. This is the issue, or this is okay, something here. Then fill the values and give the remarks, and uh, fill the quantity pass and quantity failed, rejected, and then submit. The rejected quantity also have the separate workflow, like if a production order in manufacturing, a production order have the 10 parts like this one, see here. Order quantity 10, then quality person passed 9 parts and 1 part is remaining. Then the quality reconciliation shown rejected parts here, and it is this production order will be completed, but it is not um, marked as the submitted or completed finals at the final step, because it required the rejected part what you did with this. uh, he he demand you can create a rejection for the rejected part, or you can create a rework production order for the rejected part. Both needed the approvals, and once it is done or approved, then user will be able to complete this production order. But before production order, if some past quantity go to the store or completed, then user is also able to receive the past quantity, but production order will be uh, stuck on hold till the rejected part needed any action. Okay. We can move on other sections, like we have the MRP run material requirement planning. We receive the sale order and run the MRP. Then we can find the which part needed, which part have the shortage of how many parts, and delivery analysis, and multiple things about this one, capacity plannings and so on. Next, move on the other section, the purchasing section. This is the section where we can add the suppliers, we can create the purchase orders, purchase requests, and also create the request for the customer supply. Some parts supply the customer supplied by the customer, so we can create the request here, and request for the quotations from the suppliers. Okay, once the parts are finished, then we can create the sale invoice here, and after creating the sale invoice, the notification is going to the inventory section. And inventory section, the inventory person in stock transaction receive the draft entry here, and also get got the notification here. So once store person will know this is the requirement for the delivery, and the against the invoice, then he issued the parts against the invoice, and then store will receive the notification here. So this in outbound, once he receive the notification, then he can decide, he can enter the detail of the vehicle, a customer or something here, and then he marked this part is supplied. So gate is also have the inbound, outbound. Anything entered in the gate will enter here, like we receive the stock or any other part, like we receive any parts quantity, which then gate will enter here and mark QC required or not. If QC required, then notification go to the quality control department, quality will approve it, then notification received from the store person. The store person will hold these parts and recounting them, and then add in his stock. Same here, the store person create a not issue parts against the invoice, then he store get receive the notification here, and then store person will approve, and then start delivery. And the final one, gate out passes. This screen, like in factory, multiple shops or multiple station needs to send their parts or tools to outside for repairing, for doing some process, so on. So he create a gate out pass. Then this out pass uh, system have the approval workflow, and right now uh, no data here. So system, we can define the approvals here for the department, against the department. Then if quality control create a gate out pass, then we can define like gate out pass from the quality department at levels, and who is the level 1 approver, this one, and like then level 2, the this one. Okay, like see here, this is a gate for approval workflow for the quality department. First one is production manager, second one is viewer. If quality control department creates great gate out pass, then this will go first for the production manager for the approval, then second for the viewer, and then um, gate will receive the notification here. Then after that, gate will allow this material to go for outside of the factory. This approval system is actually definable. So right now I just added a random approvers here, so I clean it up. So this is the whole workflow, like some inventory dashboards and the stock summary here, like production, in production, sorry, in manufacturing there is a production dashboard here. Right now I'm logging for the admin, so he have the all rights. So whole application is configurable. Permission, we can set the permissions for here, admin, role, users, and like these this user have the this roles, and each roles also have the multiple permissions. Like if we see here and manage permissions, and the administrator roles also have the permission of these screens, like planning screen, he can create planning, delete planning, edit planning, view planning. So multiple deep level permissions for each screen against each role, and role is defined against the user. So uh, for we can define the dashboard against the user as well. So like I can show you initially the executive dashboard, and this is only for the some higher management, and the other um, relevant person will have the dashboard of his relevant role. So this is the whole demo, this application. I hope this will be helpful to you. This is a GeePRO production manufacturing ERP, and this is also functional in a client side, and I'm looking for new clients for this application, and this is also custom developed by us. So we are also here or willing, if any client have any other requirements, we can make change uh, according to the client requirements as well. So uh, this is the one application, and the other one is the desktop application for sales purchase, and it is developed in uh, Power Builder, SAP Power Builder, and with MS SQL database. And if you have I can show you a little thing against one. Just give me a minute. I can just show you screen layouts of this application. This application is working on many client side. This is license based application. I'm generating license, like you can see here. This is also a file open for the license of the clients, and okay, and this is say Power Builder 2021 version. This is totally custom developed by me, and there is I also have complete rights and permissions to edit, update, generate license and many things. So this is application have multiple things what a trading system trading business required. So it have the accounts. This is totally following the accounting double entry system. And so I can just show you some screens like cash book. If a payment in cash we are receiving, then we can receive this one and payment pay this one. This is automatically selecting month and date, and we can move on the other month and date. And this is the future date, so we restrict it. And the below date, if any entry there, we can also show here. Same as the bank book. Bank book, like first bank is selected, and if user want to show other bank or got payment in other bank, he can select the payment and date and month, then do the entry receiving and payments, like receiving here left side and payment right side. Same as the sale invoice. This is the sale invoice. We can add the new sale invoice, select the customer, and then select the product, like this one, a product of this batch, and quantity and sale rate. Then we can save the sale invoice. This is reporting section, like many reports this application have. This is a sale reports, purchase reports, finance reports, recovery report, inventory reports, and the list. Okay, let I can show you report, like this is the sales summary report, and we can see this is the report here. Code customer, the recovery of this period is above selected, and the balance of this customer, and the sale against the vendor. Above one account, this one is actually the vendors uh, whose products are sale to that customer, this customer. We can export it as Excel, as PDF, and we can view this report without any print preview. Or this is the grand total and further things here. So like ledger detail report, if we can check any ledger, maybe this person have anything or three maybe, and review. Maybe this have anything, yeah. So this is the ledger here, and the ledger, multiple formats of the ledger, simple, and the detail view and further things. And also have the invoices here, tax invoices here, like we can see any invoice here. This is a invoice, and the same as multiple other reports and analysis. Actually this application is serving in market from last 6 to 7 years. And this application have a lot of reports and handling lot of scenarios of the trading business. This application is also integrated with Pakistan FBR payment system government, and also we are also able to integrate with any other countries payment government tax system. So so this is a short demo. I can end this because the video is going so long. And the third one, actually we are developing the human resource management system. This is same look like this application, the GeePRO ERP. The look and feel like this application, and but that application for the human resource system, where we have join the employees, making salaries, salary processings, making settlements, handling leaves. User can employee can apply leaves, and we can admin can approve leaves and define the approval flows and attendance system as well there. So this is also ongoing. So I hope you will like this demo, or if you need any more clarification or more discussion, please send me a message, or call me anytime. We can we can arrange a session or live session on it if you want. I hope so. This is enough for now. So thank you so much. Bye.